Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn something cool, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay, and guys, today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn that how to call and display RESTful API data in ServiceNow service portal. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn that how to call and display RESTful API data in ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features, all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn, and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit in ServiceNow. Okay, so let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example as well. Okay, so guys, this is the example I have built in ServiceNow. Okay, so here we can see the logo of ServiceNow as well, and this is the main navigation or menu items. Okay, knowledge, catalog, requests, system status, cart, tours, and system administrator. Okay, and below we can see here one search input field. Through this search input field, we can search anything in ServiceNow. Literally we can search anything. So this is like a Google search, but we can search anything guys, literally anything in only ServiceNow. Okay, but I'm not going to give you the demo at all. What is this all about? Because I have shown you, I have given you the demo, I have explained you very well in my previous videos of ServiceNow tutorial. Okay, so in this video we will be only focusing on how to call and display RESTful API data in ServiceNow service portal. Okay, so go down. So guys, here we can see the heading also, how to call and display REST API data in ServiceNow service portal. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn that how to call and display RESTful API data in ServiceNow service portal page, and using that RESTful API data, we are going to create this dynamic and cool and eye-pleasing interactive user profile cards. Okay, we will create this interactive user profile cards using that API data, that RESTful API data we have just fetched. Okay, and I'll show you, I'll explain you guys each and everything. So just don't worry and sit back, be calm and be relaxed and watch the entire video in ServiceNow, because guys, if you want to become a great and dynamic ServiceNow developer in coming future, then guys, you must watch this entire video, because in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn that how to call and display RESTful API data in ServiceNow service portal page, and we will also learn that using that RESTful API data, the JSON data we will get from the API request. Okay, and we will create this interactive and dynamic user profile cards also, where we will show the user profile pic, username, user email address, user company, user status, active or inactive, type, premium user or simple user or normal user, and this is the platform ServiceNow. And here we can see here one button also called see user details. On each and every profile card we have guys. Okay, I have just shown here user profile pic, username, user email address, company, status, type and platform ServiceNow, and one button also called see user details. Okay, so guys, this data is coming from the external API. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. These data is coming from the external RESTful API. Okay, I have just fetched the fetched the RESTful API data from external API in my service now service portal page, and I have just shown here each and everything in a nice and dynamic interactive user profile cards. Okay, and we can see here on each and every user profile card I have just shown here the one button also called see user details. Okay, so I'm very sorry. And guys, the moment you will click this button see user details on any of the user profile card, okay, from any of the user profile card, you are going to see each and everything in a nice and dynamic modal of a particular user on which you will click. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to see the entire user details of this particular user of this particular user lineagram. Okay, so in order to see the entire details about this particular user, we have to click this button see user details. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to hit this button, I'm going to click this button see user details, and then we will be able to see each and everything about this particular user. Okay, so click it now, see user details button. See, boom guys, this is the profile pic, this is the name, phone, okay, email, company, website, address, and type is premium user. Okay, so close this modal. So you can see here how cool and how dynamic our ServiceNow application is. Okay, so this is the user profile pic, this is the name, email, phone, company, website, address, and type premium user. So close this. So now I'm going to see the entire details of this particular user. Okay, I don't know, I don't know how to pronounce her name, because her name is really like hard to pronounce. Okay, so I'm going to see the entire details of this particular user. So click the button see user details, so click it now. So see, boom guys, this is the user profile pic, this is the name, this is the email, phone, company, website, address, and type is premium user. Click OK. Okay, so guys, you can see here they're getting here only 10 data. So this is the dummy RESTful API. Okay, but this is going to work, this is going to behave exactly the the real or the real world API data. Okay, there is no any guys difference, there is no any shortcomings in these JSON data. Now on this API data as well, this will exactly work like the real world API data. You will work in your actual environment, in your actual project. Okay, this is it. Okay, so we can see here on each and every user profile card I have shown here the user profile pic, username. Okay, and in the modal also I have shown here the same thing, user profile pic, name, email, phone, company, website, address, and type premium user. So click OK. So this is the user I have just shown you in a nice and dynamic modal. Okay, so we can see here on each and every user profile card I have shown here user profile pic, user name, user email, status, type, platform, service now, and one button also called see user details to see the each and every particular details about a particular user in a nice and dynamic modal on which you will click. Okay, so I'm going to see the entire details of this user. So click the button see user details. So here is the user profile pic, username, email, phone, company, website, address, and type premium user. Click OK. So now see this particular see this user details. So click the button see user details. Okay, see profile pic, name, email, phone, company, website, address, and type premium user. Click OK. So now I'm going to see the entire details of the particular user. Okay, so click the button see user details. This is the profile pic, name, email, phone, company website address and premium. Okay, type is premium user, click OK. So guys, this is the application all about. Okay, and I have just built this application using the external third-party API. And in this video, in this session, we are going to learn, we are going to know that how to call and fetch the API data and show the API data in ServiceNow on service portal page. In this video, in this tutorial with me, Prabhat Pandit, and we will show the entire details of a particular user in a nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, so I hope guys you are now thrilled and you are now excited to learn and to build this application on your own after watching this video, after watching this session. Okay, so here we will learn how to call and display RESTful API data in ServiceNow on service portal page. Okay, in this video, in this tutorial with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this application with me, Prabhat Pandit, in ServiceNow on service portal page. Okay, so guys, basically we are going to create here one widget, and in that widget we will run some script, and then we will fetch the RESTful API data from external API server. Okay, so guys, what we are going to do here, we are going to create here one widget, and in that widget we will write some script, and we will run that script when our page will reload, when our page will refresh also, and then we are going to fetch some third party API RESTful API data, and we will show them here on ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, so guys, I hope you are now excited, you are now thrilled to learn to build this application on your own after watching this video, after watching this session. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe now my this channel Code with and please press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I'll upload the new video in the playlist. Okay, and definitely guys, you're going to grow also in your professional IT career after watching my session, after watching my tutorial. Okay, so guys, you have to do here 4 things for me. First, you have to subscribe now my this channel Code with and second, you have to press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified, and third, you have to like this video also, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and ServiceNow as well. And fourth guys, you have to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups also. Okay, so guys, I'm going to count on you, I'm going to trust you guys, I'm going to trust you that you will subscribe now my this channel Code with you will press the bell icon also, you will like this video also, which will give me the confidence and motivation, and you will share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so guys, this is it, let's get started and let's learn and let's build this application where we will fetch the third party API data, RESTful API data in ServiceNow on our service portal page using a widget. Okay, so this is it, let's get started and let's learn and let's code now. Okay, so guys, this is my personal PDI, which is personal development. Okay, like PDI, okay, like we can say here, I'm forgetting the okay, we can say here personal development instances. Okay, I for instances. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to go to the all filter navigator. So first of all, we will just create here one widget, and let's just create a widget first. So I'm going to go to the all filter navigator. So let's just create here one widget first. So widget, okay, open this widget, click it. So now in order to create a new widget, we have to click this button new. So I'm going to click it now, new, to create a new widget. Okay, so here name field is required field, rest all fields are optional field. Okay, we can fill it and we can leave it as well. Okay, but I'm going to fill all the fields, okay, just to show you. Okay, so first of all, let me just open the sublime text. Okay, go down and here we will write here widget, okay, just to uh, have some, okay, like data, so that we can search it easily. Okay, so give here name, so I'll give here the widget name as a, I'll just say here you, or I can say here, what can I give the name here, guys? I don't know any name. I can give here ServiceNow, okay, ServiceNow YouTube, okay, YouTube tutorial, okay, tutorial. So copy this name from here and just to paste it here. Let's just give here id as well, okay, and I'll give here I'll give here 999, okay, so 6 times 9 I'll give here as a id. This is it, and let me just copy this string from here. Let's just paste it here by er Prabhat Pandit, okay, this is it. And guys, here is the HTML body template. We will write our HTML here, and this is the CSS column, this is the HTML column, this is the CSS column, and this is the server script when we will work, okay, with the glide records. Okay guys, when we will work with the glide records, then we will work with the ServiceNow tables, then we will work with this server script column. As of now we won't, okay, work with this server script column. We're going to work with this client controller, which is also called client script. Okay, so guys, listen to me very carefully. Client controller is also called client script, and we will work here in this client controller, means client script, in this video, in this tutorial. Okay, and this is the controller as this C. Okay guys, this C, listen to me very carefully. This, okay, C controller as, guys, this C is known as the controller as. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. This C is known as the controller as. Okay, controller as. Okay, and this C will let you bind, this C will let you bind this data from here, from this client controller script to your HTML part. Okay, to your HTML part. So whatever you will write, let me just create here. First of all, let me just fill all the fields. Okay, so all the fields I have already filled, so let's just make it public. So take this checkbox to make it public. This is it. And now let me just I'm going to create here one variable for you to give you the confidence. So I'll just say here c dot, okay, header, c dot header equal to, I'll say here learn service now with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so close this, and now I'm going to use this c dot header in our HTML part. Okay, I already told you that this controller as, this controller as C, guys, this controller as C will let you bind the data, the result, the function from here, from this client controller, from here, from this client controller in your HTML part. Okay, in your HTML part. Okay, listen to me very carefully. One more time I'm going to explain you this. Okay guys, this controller C, this controller C, okay, this C will let you bind, variable, functions, expression, okay, variable, functions, expressions from this client controller or from this client script to your view part, to your HTML part. Okay, to this part. Okay, so now, as I already told you, I have just created here one variable called header, and I have assigned it some string or some text here, learn service now with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me just copy this variable from here, and I'm going to use this in our view part, in our HTML part. Okay, this is it. So come here, let's just create here one div very quickly. Div, close this div. Now let's just give here class name, I mean not only name, only class. I'll just say here container. I'll say here margin top 5, margin bottom also 5, although okay, only container will applied, and this margin top and margin bottom will not applied, because okay, ServiceNow is going to use Bootstrap version 3 only, because Bootstrap version 3 is very stable. So ServiceNow is going to use only Bootstrap version 3. This is it. Okay, so let's just create here another variable. Inside this variable, now I'm going to create here another variable. So let's just create here another div first. So close this div now, and let's just give here the class as well, css class, where we write our property. So let's see here header. Okay, and now I'll use here the inside this div, I'll create here the h1 element. Okay, h1 element. So close this h1 element, and I'll use here the string interpolation. Okay, so guys, this is known as the this curly braces is known as the string interpolation. Okay guys, and technically this is known as the string interpolation, and some people also called interpolation. Okay guys, this is known as the interpolation. Guys, listen to me, this double curly braces is known as the interpolation, but some people call it string interpolation as well. Okay, so now we will just paste it here like this. Okay, so copy this class header from here and go to the css column, and we have to write our css very quickly. I'm going to write our css very quickly now. I just say here text a line, I'll give here center, and I'll give here margin top as well, I'll give here 20 px, and I'll give here font size as well of say here 60 px, and I'll give here font weight as well. Font weight I'll give here 800. This is it, and I'll give here font family as well. Font family I'll give here sans serif. This is it, and now I'll give here okay, as of now just okay, let it be. Just come here, and now right click here and just hit the option save. So click it now to save this widget we have just created with the name ServiceNow YouTube tutorial. Okay, so guys, here is the widget name ServiceNow YouTube tutorial. Okay, we have just created here. So guys, now just come here, and now I'm going to remove this widget from here. I'm going to okay let it be here only. I'm going to okay, let it be here, I will just remove it. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the all, and I'll just search here. Okay, let me just search here pages. So click this option or the link, and now come here, and I'll just search here. Go, let me just search this page name. Okay, YouTube new page, and just we have to look at it first. So hit enter. So yeah, here is the page name. So click it now, open it. So now I'll just okay, I'm going to make this widget. Okay, so guys, this is the page. Okay, and now let this page be here. I need this page. I'm going to remove the widget. Okay, I'm going to remove this widget only. So open this page in designer. Okay, so inside the guys related links. Okay, inside the related links, I'm going to open this page in a designer. So click the link, open in designer. So here it is. So you can see here is the okay the text or this the widget. Let me just do here some modifications to bring it here, and I'll just let's just say here click edit. So let it be here only. Let's just open this widget only, which is modal demo widget Prabhat. Okay, modal demo widget Prabhat. So come here, go to the all, and let's just open this widget only. So widgets, click this link. Okay, and I'll just say here, go for the modal demo, hit enter. So yeah, here is the modal demo widget Prabhat. Click it, open it, and now okay, so as of now you can see here, this is our widget. So just remove this, okay, heading, and let it be here only, learn service now. So save this widget first, click save. Okay, so now here is the new heading, learn service now only. So come here, and as of now we can see here, learn service now with Prabhat Pandit. So now after the page refreshment, we will only see learn service now. Okay, so let's just refresh this page now. So now we can see here, learn service now only. So which means this is our actual widget. Okay, so as of now I'm going to make it inactive. Okay, so just make it inactive, or not make it inactive. Okay, let's just make it inactive. Okay, we can later on make it active as well. So just save it now, and now refresh this portal page. Refresh. Okay, so it is here only. Let's just come here and make it public, and I can do here, let's just save this. Okay, let's just save this, and yeah, let's just copy this widget name to save it, so that we can search it later on. Okay, so for the future reference. Okay, so come here. Okay, come here, I'm going to delete this. So just click this trash icon. So click it now to delete this widget. Okay, so click it. So it is going to ask you, do you want to permanently delete this selected item? So I'm going to delete it now. So click OK. So now it's gone. Okay, so now let's just come here and refresh the page, or the portal page. Okay, this is it. Okay, so there's nothing at all. So now this is our old widget, and this is what we have just created here. This is what we have just created here. So let's just copy this widget name from here, and just come here, and where is the page? Yeah, here is the page. So we have to search it, widget. Okay, so here it is there, here it is. So let's just, first of all, I'm going to remove this everything. Okay, so click this plus icon, click 12. So now this is the container. So just drag it like this and leave it or drop it here like this. Okay, so it is going to save automatically. You can see here, learn service now with Prabhat Pandit. And now come here and now refresh this page. Yeah, we can see here. So let's just now, okay, so this is our portal design, service portal designer, and this is our new widget we have just created. So let's just come here. So now let's just put here a few dots also to verify this, if this is the right widget or not. Okay, so click save. So now just come here and now refresh this page also. So we will see here a few dots also, if this is the correct widget. Yeah, we can see here the dots. So this shows that this is our correct widget. Okay, so like I told you, I'm going to create here another subheader variable. Okay, so now I'll just say here subheader c dot subheader equal to, I'll say here how to call and show a RESTful API data in service now on service, okay, on service portal. So close this and now come up come up and just copy this and just paste it here. Okay, and now instead of header we will say here c dot subheader. Okay, so you can see here this c, okay, this c controller as, okay, this c controller as will let us bind our data variable expression function to our HTML, to our view part, to our HTML part. Okay, so this is it. So just paste it here and now let's just put here another class subheader. So copy this and now let's just put here dot and just paste it here and let's just copy this everything from here and paste it here, and instead of font size of 60px, let's just make it 40px. Okay, this is it. And now save this widget first. Right click here, choose option, save. Okay, so it is going to save now. So now come here and now refresh this page very quickly. Okay, so here it is, how to call and show RESTful API data in ServiceNow on service portal. Okay, this is it. So let's just come here and let's just go down, and this is header. So instead of placing the classes here on this div, let's just cut it out from here and place it here on h1 element itself. Okay, so cut this out from here as well, this class subheader, and let's just paste it here on h1 element as well. Okay, so let's just now save this widget again. So click save. So it is going to save now. Yeah, it is saved now. So come here and now refresh this page. Yeah, now we can see here learn ServiceNow with ER Prabhat Pandit, and here we can see here the another subheading, how to call and show RESTful API data in ServiceNow on service portal. Okay, this is it. So guys, now I'm going to write our script. Okay, I'm going to write our script inside the client script inside the, okay, client controller. Okay, inside the client controller. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to do that now. Okay, so first of all I'm going to create here one empty array as well. Okay, first of all guys, I'm going to create here one empty array as well. I'll just say here c dot users. Okay, c dot users to hold the, to store the users data, to store the API data we will fetch from the external server, from the external API server. Okay, and we will store that data here inside this empty array. Okay, as of now let's just create here c dot users equal to empty array. So just close this, and now, okay, first of all I have to call here few parameters. First of all I have to call here few dependencies as well. So I'm going to call here few parameters, or we can say here the dependencies as well. Okay guys, we can call this parameter as well as we can call this dependencies as well. Okay, we want to be able to work, okay guys, we want to be able to work with this client controller if we don't have few parameters, if we don't have few dependencies. Okay, we want to be able to work with this client controller without having few dependencies. So I'm going to import few dependencies. Okay, so I'll just import here the first dependencies is scope. Okay, so first dependencies is scope, I'm going to import. Okay, this is it. Second dependencies is going to be dollar $http. Okay, this dollar $http will let you, okay guys, this dollar $http will let you call, will let you connect, will let you talk with the external API data. Okay guys, listen to me. This dollar $http dependency or parameter will let you connect, will let you talk, will let you connect okay, will let you call the API data from third party, from external API data. So to fetch the data from the third party API data, we have to use this dependency, we have to use this parameter from Angular, which is $http, okay, which is $http, okay. And this, okay, dollar scope is going to work as the this C, okay, which is the it is going to this dollar scope is going to work as a bridge, okay. This dollar scope is going to work as a bridge, okay, is going to work as a bridge between this, okay, between your client controller and your HTML part, which means your view part, okay, which means your view part, okay. This is it, okay. And now the third dependency I'm going to import is sp modal to show the alert in ServiceNow service portal page. We have to use these dependencies, we have to use this dependency sp modal to show alert, to show confirmation modal, okay, in ServiceNow service portal page, okay. So guys, this is it. I hope I'm damn clear. I hope I am crystal clear, okay. This is it, okay. So now what I'll do here, I'll use this dependency now, dollar http, okay, to talk, to call the restful API data from third party, okay. So I'll just say here, what I'll do here, I'll say here dollar http dot get, okay, dot get. And now here we have to provide here the URL, we have to provide here the URL, guys, from which we are going to fetch the data, okay. So guys, we have to provide here the URL from which we are going to fetch the data, okay, from which we are going to fetch the data, okay. So let me just okay, so let me just oh, where is the, do I have link or not, okay, do I have the link or not, let me just check. Yeah, here it is. So copy this and now come here, and guys, we have to provide here the link, okay, from which we will fetch the API data, okay, we will fetch the API data. So now it will give us the promise, okay, it will give us the promise in dot then form, okay, it will give us the promise in dot then form, and then we will run here the callback function, okay. So this function is known as the callback function, and it will take the parameter as a response. We can give anything, it is only on up to us, okay. So now I'll just say here like this. So now what I'll do here, I'll just say here, so first of all I'll just this is the response, okay, this is the response they're getting here. So now we will just say here c dot users, okay, c dot users, I'm going to assign this response, okay, I'm going to assign this response. I'll just say here response dot data, okay, response dot data. And now let me just, okay, console it log as well for you. So first of all just close this, and now I'll just say here console dot log just to show you the data. I'll just say here response dot data, okay, response dot data, this is it, okay. And now, okay, and now I'll just use here the catch method as well to catch the issue, to catch the errors, okay. So let me just create here one another variable as well. I'm going to create here another variable, the boolean variable. I'll just say here c dot loading, okay, c dot loading equal to, I'll give here first, I'll show you the loading true, okay. So let's just say here, I'll just say here loading equal to true, okay. So initially when we are fetching the data, we will show here the loading equal to true, okay. So let's just now say here, I'll just close this, okay. And now I'll just say here c dot loading equal to false, okay. So let's just close this now. And now Okay, let me just check. So now we will just say here, so bring it inside here, and now we will just say here dot catch to catch the error, and it just run here one. Okay, callback function as well, and now we will pass the error object. Okay, this error object, and now we will say here the, what I'll say here, c dot loading, make it again false because there is the issue. So let make it okay false. So we have to hide the loader, and we have to show the error message as well. Okay, so make it false, and now we will just say here sp modal dot alert to show the alert in a nice and dynamic modal to the user that something went wrong, please try again, or check your connection, check your internet connectivity. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'll just say here failed to fetch the data. Okay, to fetch the data, and now let's just say here plus to concatenate the error message. I'll just say here error dot, okay, I'll just say here error dot status. I'll just say here text. Okay, status text. This is it. So now let's just close this. Okay, so now this is it. So now what I'll do here, first of all, let's just save this file. So click save. Yeah, so now this file is now saved. Okay, so for what I'll do here, I'll just go to this, okay, page, and now let's just refresh this page one more time and go to the console now. Yeah, so go to the console now, and here is our data. Boom guys, here is our data. Okay, see guys, we are getting here our data. Okay, you can see here this is the array of object. You can see this is the array of object. So guys, this is our data. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. Now we are getting our data. We just have to show the data in a nice and interactive user profile card. Okay, so guys, you can see here we are getting the data now. Okay guys, now we are getting the data. Okay, so now we have to just show this data in a nice and dynamic interactive user profile card. Okay, so let's just close this now, and let's just go to the one more time to the console only, and let me just show you the data first. So let's just open this. Yeah, open this first object. So here is the address. This is again an object. Open this company. This is again an object, and here is the email, here is the ID, name, phone, username, and website as well. Okay, so we are getting the data. We just have to populate, we just have to show this data on a browser in our service portal page. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So just come here now. Okay, so let it be here, let's just bring it here. Okay, so now this is the coding part. So now what I'll do here, I will just say here go to the HTML part, and now I'll just create here another div. Give the class equal to row, and just close this div now, and give another class. Okay, say here center. Okay, this is it only. So open this now div, and now, okay, and now inside this div I'm going to create here another div. I'll just say here call md. I'll say here 4, and just close this div. I'll say here mb3 also. I'll say here mb margin top, I'll give here 4, and I'll say here margin bottom also 4. Okay, and now just open this div now. Okay, and now guys, what I'll do here, I'll just use here Angular, like what can I say, the directive which is called ng repeat. Okay, which is called ng repeat. I'm going to use here. So guys, we all know what is ng repeat all about. Okay guys, we all know what is ng repeat all about. Okay, it is going to uh, look through the array of object, array, simple array, or nested array as well. Okay, so we use ng repeat to look through the array or array of object. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. We use ng repeat directive to look through the array or to look through the array of object. So here also we will use here the Angular directive which is ng repeat. Okay, which is ng repeat to 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 look through this array of users which we have populated, which we have fetched from this server. Okay, from this server. So now I'm going to use that now, ng repeat. So let's just create here another div inside this div now. Close this div first, and let's just give here the I can give here the class. I can give here, so I can give here class equal to, I'll give here class equal to say here say here class equal to, I can give here card. Okay, because we are going to show the card at the end only. So I'll just say here height of 100%. I'll just say here shadow sm. Okay, shadow sm, and I'll give here hover card another class, and I'll give here mb3 as well. So let's just open this div now, bring it like here, and now I'll just say here on this div, I'll just say here ng repeat equal to now I'll say here user in. Let's just copy this name c.users, because this is the array and it is going to hold, it is going to store all the data, all the API data, all the JSON data which we are getting from this server. Okay, which we are getting from this server. So copy this c.users to, this is the array of object. Okay, this is the array of object. Okay, so guys, this c.users is now array of object. Okay, array of object. Okay, because you can see here I have assigned this, okay, response.data. I have assigned this response.data to this variable c.users, which is a empty array. Okay, which is an empty array. So now it will be available here also. So now I'll say here users in c.users. Okay, so now I'll just say here, first of all I'm going to show here the image. Okay, so I'll create here img element first. I'll say here img, I'll say here ng. Okay, angular ng src equal to, I'll just give here the class name as well. Class name, I'll say here img. Okay, I can give a class name as a I can say here card img top. Okay, card img top. Okay, card img top, and I can give here mx auto as well. I can give here the rounded. Okay, I can give here rounded circle. Okay, and let it be only. So now let me just come here, and I'm going to copy the this, okay, URL. This is the dynamic URL for the user profile pic. Okay, for the user profile pic, let's just paste it here, and here is the, okay, this user. Okay, this user, and I showed you we're getting the ID as well. You can see here on each and every object we're getting here one particular ID as well. So here is the ID 1. Okay, open this second object. Here is the ID 2. We're getting the ID as well. Open this third element. Here is the ID 3. Okay, so this is what I'm using here, this ID. Okay, user dot, this user dot id. Okay, this user dot id. So as of now, just save this file, right click here and click save. Okay, so now this page is now saved. So come here and refresh this page. Okay, I'm sorry. So close this. So see, boom guys, boom, here is the profile pic guys, here is the profile pic of the user. You can see guys, we are getting the profile pic of the user. So now we have to show here the name, email address, company name, and all the other details I'm going to show very quickly. So come here, and now I'll just show it now. So I'll just create here inside this, okay, div. I'll just create here another div. So div, give the class equal to card body. Okay, so close this div now, open this div. So now inside this div, I'll just create here h2 element first. So h2, and close this h2. Okay, and I'll just take this h2 only, and I'll just give the class as well. So class, I'll say here card title. This is it. I'll use here double curly braces, which is interpolation, which is some people call it interpolation, and some people call it string interpolation as well. Okay, technically. Okay, so now I'll just say here user dot name to show the username. Save this file very quickly. So now the file is now saved. Come here and refresh this page. Okay, so now we can see here is the username, here is the username, here is the username. Okay, so guys, first of all, I'm going to write here the css very quickly. Okay guys, first of all, I'm going to write here the css very quickly to make the card look better. Okay, so copy this container class from here, and now I'll just write here css very quickly, so to make the card look okay, eye pleasing, and interactive and lively as well. Okay, I'll just say here display, I'll say here flex, I'll say here flex direction, I'll give you flex direction column, I'll give here flex wrap as well, and I'll give here the, I can give here justify content, I can give here center, I can give here I can give here align, item also center, align item also center, I can give here. Okay, and I can give here the I can give here the, yeah, as of now, just save this file and hit save. I'm sorry. So now refresh this page now. So now come here, and now what I'll do here, I will just copy this class card img top, and just go down to the css column and write css for this image as well. So I'll say here width of 100%, I'll give here height 200 px. I can give here display as a block. Okay, display as a block. I can give here object feed. I'll give here cover as well. Okay, and I'll give here little bit border radius as well. Border radius I can give here the 10 px as well. Okay, and I can give here a little bit box. Okay, box shadow as well. So I'll say here shadow. I can give here 0 to px, and I can give here 5 px. RGBA value I'll give here, I'll say here 0 comma 0 comma 0 point. I can give here 1. Okay, so as of now just save this file, and now come here, refresh this page. Yeah, so this looks cool now. So let me just come here again, and I'll copy this. Okay, I'll copy this okay, card class. I'll copy this card class and come down, and it's align items. Okay, yeah, so now just come down and put comma, I mean dot, and just to paste it here. I can give here of width of 100%. I can give here box shadow as well. Box shadow as well. I'll give here 0 4 px and 10 px. I can give here RGBA value, RGBA. So I'll say here 0 comma 0 comma 0 0.3, and I can give here background color, I'll give here white. I can give here border radius, I can give here 10 px. Okay, I can give here border as well, border thin, solid, gains border. Okay, gains border, close this. So now just save this file first. So now come here, refresh this page. So go down. Yeah, so now this looks cool, but what I'll do here, I'll just come up and it's MB, make it MB, and now I'll do here, I'll just give here little bit padding. I can give here of 20 px, and I can give here the margin top also. I can give here margin top. I can give here 16 px. Close this, and now just save this file again. So now it is being saved. So now saved, come here, refresh this page now. Yeah, now this looks cool. So yeah, this looks cool guys now. Okay, so now just come here, and now just copy this class, row class. Okay, copy this row class, and just below this container class only. Let's just paste it here, put point, paste it here, and now I can give here the I can give here so I'll say here display flex, and I can say here justify content. I can say here center. I can say here align items. Also I'll give here center to bring each and everything in the center of the screen. Okay, so save this file now and come here. I'm very sorry, refresh this page one more time. Okay, so come here and I can say here the instead of, let's just say here flex direction column, and I can say here flex wrap equal to wrap. Okay, close this and just come here and save this file. Now come here and refresh this page now. Go down. Yeah, this looks a little ugly, so what I'll do here, container, let me just check. So container, give here one class margin bottom, I can give here margin bottom, I can give here 30 px. Okay, margin bottom 30 px. And now let me just check what is the issue here with this row class or display flex, and let's just remove this line, and let's just say here let's just remove this as well. So now let's just save this and now refresh this page. Yeah, now this looks cool. Now everything is inside the center. Okay, so now the odd card, okay, now the remaining card or the odd card is now in the center of the screen. So now this looks cool, now this looks perfect. Okay, so guys, now very quickly I'm going to add some custom properties. Okay, I'm going to add some custom properties to these properties. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to add some custom properties. Okay, so guys, now listen to me very carefully. Guys, now I'm going to add a few custom properties. Okay, so I'll just add here a few custom properties. So now what I'll do here, I'll just say here, I'll go down and I'll just say here c dot users dot for each. Okay, c dot users dot for each. I'll just give you the caller function as a function only, and I'll pass here one parameter user, and now I'll just say here like this. So I'll just say here what I'll do here. So I'll just say here I'm going to add, guys. Okay, I'm going to add here. So let's just write here comment for you only. Let's just say here add new custom properties. This is it. And now the properties I will add here, user. Okay, this user, guys. Okay, this user. Okay, this user dot, I'll just add the custom properties. I'll just say here is active. Okay, is active equal to, I'll give here boolean value which is true. So close this, and now I'll use here another property. I'll just say here user dot, I'll just say here profile type. I'll give you equal to, I'll just say here premium user. Okay, close this, and now I'll add another custom property. I'll just say here user dot platform, user dot platform, user dot platform equal to, I'll give here service now. Okay, so guys, in this way guys, we can add the extra properties. Okay, in this way we can add to the extra properties to this users, which is the third party API. So we can have the existing, the old data, as well as we can add the our custom properties, our custom data as well, like I did here. Okay, like I did here. Okay, so I'm going to add here another custom property. I'll just say here developer I'll just say here is developer. Okay, is developer equal to er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so in this way we can add the extra properties to the existing properties of any API data in ServiceNow using Angular. Okay, in ServiceNow using Angular. Okay, so now first of all I'll just show this loader as well. I'm going to show the loader, guys. Okay, so I'm going to, guys, okay, first, okay, show the loader. Okay, I'm going to show first loader. Okay, so let me just show you the loader. So come down, and now I'll just show here the loader. Okay, so I'll just show you the loader. So I'll just say here so I'll just say here I'll create a div. So close this div now. I'm very sorry. So give the class as well. I'll just say here loader. Okay, loader, this is it. And now I'll use here Angular directive. Okay, I'm going to use here the Angular directive, which is ng if. So I'll just say here ng if. Okay, so guys, this is the directive. It is going to check. Okay, it is going to check. Okay, so if it's true, then this div will show. If is false, then this div will not show. Okay, so I'll just say here if c dot loading. Okay, c dot loading, guys. Okay, guys, this loading. Okay, this loading. Okay, this loading. Okay, this c dot loading. So let's just copy this from here only, and let's just paste it here. If loading is true, guys, if loading is true. Okay, if loading is true, let's just give here text center class. Okay, text center class. So now open this div. If loading is true, so we have to literally show the loading spinner as well. So I'm going to create here I element to show the loading spinner. I'll give the class equal to, I'll say here far. Okay, so I'm going to use here the font awesome spinner class. So far spinner like this, and I'll just say here far spin, and I'll just say here far 2x. I'm going to enlarge the icon. Okay, I'm going to enlarge the icon. This is it. And now just to close this I very quickly, and now I'll show the message as well to the user. I'll show the message as well to the user. I'll just create here h1 and just to close this h1. I'll just say here loading. Okay, loading data, please wait. Okay, give 3 dots. So now just save this file, and now we will be able to see the loading spinner as well. Okay, while we are fetching the data, while our data is being ready. Okay, while we are fetching the data, while our data is being ready, we will be able to see the loading spinner as well on the screen. Okay, so now come here and now refresh this page now one more time. So see, boom, guys, here is the loading spinner I showed you. Refresh this page one more time. We will be able to see the loading spinner now as well. So see, loading spinner, I hope you saw it. Okay, let's just refresh this one more time. I hope this time you will see it. Yeah, loading spinner is here. So this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. And now I'm going to show the this custom property as well. I'm going to show this custom property as well. Okay guys, now I'm going to show this custom property as well. Okay, so let's just show this custom property. Is active, profile type, platform, is developer, er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, I'm going to show the custom properties as well. So now I'm going to go up and I'll just create here in below this h2. I'll create here h1 element. Okay, I'll create here at okay, let's just create here h2 only. Why creating h1? No need to create h1. Okay, and now I'll just show here. So what I'll do here, and okay, so here we have used here ng if. Okay, here we have used here ng if. So now we will just use here the ng if also. So if ng if, okay, ng if loading is false. Okay, if loading is false, then only we will show this div. Okay, so I'll just say here exclamation. Okay, so guys, let's just enlarge this little bit for you only. Let's just enlarge this. Okay, so I hope this is visible to you now. Okay, so I hope this is visible to you. Okay, so guys, this is the ng if. Okay, if loading is true, if loading is true, we will show this div. If loading is false, okay, if loading is false, we will show this div. Now we will show the data. So I'll just say here c dot loading. Okay, c dot loading. Okay, loading. So now, just now, say here, I'll just say here user dot is active. Okay, to show this custom property, to show this custom property, guys. Okay, is active. Copy this from here, property name. So property name is active, property name is profile type, property name is platform, property name is developer. Okay, so we will just say here user dot is active. Okay, and we will show the active if user is active or not. Okay, so let's just save the file and come here and refresh. Okay, so this will look, guys, a bit odd, but I'm doing this, okay, so that for the sake of your convenience only, so that it will be easy, it will be convenient for you to see the coding very easily. Okay, so refresh this page now. So here is the is active. I have just shown here is active true, and instead of saying is active true only, let's just show here something different. Okay, instead of showing is active true, let's just show here something different. Okay, so I'll just say here let's just come here. So now what I'll do here, I'll just check. Okay, if user dot is active, if it is true, okay, if it is true, okay, if it is true, so we will show this, we will show this. What I'll show here, I'll just show here, I can show here what I can show here, guys. If this user is active, if user is active, what I'll show here, I'll show here active. Otherwise I'll show here so otherwise I'll show here. Okay, I'll just show here I can just show here not active. So now just save this file. Okay, so now come here and refresh this page. So yeah, here is the active. Okay, this is it. So come here and now I'll show the other things as well. So now I'll show here the other things as well. Okay, so I'll just show here the custom property, which is profile type platform and is developer. Okay, so I'll show the custom property profile type platform and is developer. Okay, so profile type and platform. Okay, so let's just and now I'll just create here. So copy this, paste it here uh, 3 times, and let's just make it h4 h4 h4. Okay, let's just make all the h2 h4 element. Okay, this is it. Okay, and now let's just remove this, let's just remove this as well, let's just remove this as well. And now I'll just show here user dot, I'll just say here profile profile type, profile type. This is the property, this is the custom property profile type, and I'll show the platform property as well. So copy this platform from here and just come here. I'll just say here user dot this, and just say here user dot, I will just copy this property name. Okay, I'll just copy this property name is developer to show the developer. Okay, so let's just paste it here, and now guys just right click here, hit save. I'm very sorry, so you can just ignore this because I'm a human being too. Okay, so now let's just refresh this page. So here is the loading spinner, and here is the active. Okay, profile type is premium user, platform is ServiceNow, and developer is er Prabhat Pandit. So let's just, why not show the all the things. Okay, so I'll just say here profile. Okay, profile, I'll say here platform, and I'll just say here developer. Okay, save the file now. One more time, right click here, hit save, and now just come here, it is being saved. So now it is saved. Now refresh the page. So now this looks cool. Here is the profile. Okay, the profile is premium user, platform is ServiceNow, and developer is er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, okay, profile, platform, and developer is the custom property. Okay guys, it is not there in the API. Okay guys, it is not there in the API I showed you. Let me just show you one more time. Okay, go to the console, open this array of object. Yeah, so open this 0th element. You can see here there is no any, okay, property profile platform developer. We have just added this custom property profile platform developer using this, using this, using this, using this. Okay, using this for each method. Okay, using this for each method we will loop this user. Okay, c dot user using the for each method, and we will up like we will add the custom property like we have did here is active profile type platform is developer true premium user service now er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, this is the custom property we have just added. Okay guys, these are the custom properties. Okay guys, these are the custom properties we have just added using the for each method to this c dot users. Okay, but it is not there inside the actual data. Okay, it is not there inside the actual data, inside the actual API. We can't see here anything. Okay, like, okay, profile platforms developer, you can see here we have just added this property. Okay, platform profile type and username. Okay, I mean the profile, okay, platform and the developer er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, you can see here we are getting the data here also. Okay, so now close this. So now I'll just create here one button as well. I'm going to create here one button very quickly. So let's just create here one button. So come here, here is the our HTML part. I'm going to create here one button to show the modal. Okay, very quickly. So let's just go here one more time. I'm going to show you the I'm going to give you the another confidence. So open this. Why it is not opening in a first click? So let's just show here, guys. Okay, let's just show here. mm, let's just show you the email of the user as well. Okay, I'm going to show you the email of the user as well. So here is the email property. You can see here, here is the email property, here is the email property. Okay, I'm going to show the email as well of the user. So let's just go to the here. So let's just come here, and below this name I'll show the user email address as well. Okay, so I'll just say here user dot email to show the email address. Okay, I showed you. Here is the email property, user dot email. We will show the email of the user as well. Like this, we will say here user dot email. Okay, so let's just right click here, save it now, and come here, and now refresh the page. Loading data, please wait. You can see here, here is the loading spinner now. Loading data, please wait. Loading data, please wait. So now data is now loaded. You can see here, here is the email of the user as well, here is the email of the user as well, and here is the data, all the 10 data they are getting here. Okay, this is it. Let's just close this now. Okay, here is the email of the user I have shown here as well. Okay, so now come here, we will create here the button also. So now I'm going to create here the button as well. So let's just create here button below this h4 element. So create a button. So button, I'll give the class name as well. Okay, btn I'll give here info, btn info I'll give here, and close this btn very quickly. And now I'll just say here c user details, see user details. Okay, as of now just save the file. Okay, so we have to, guys, okay, save many times. Okay, because this is the ServiceNow platform, so we have to save each and everything every time. Okay, so just come here, refresh the page now. So here is the button, see user details. Okay, here is the button, see user details. Okay, here is the button, see user details. Okay, so here is the button, see user details. So now we're going to run here one function. I'm going to create here one function. So let's just come here, let's just go to the client controller, which is client script as well. I'm going to create here one button as well. Okay, I mean the one function as well. Let's just close this now, and I'm going to create here one function as well. Okay, so guys, let's just create here function very quickly. So I'll create here one function. I'll just say here c dot, I'll just say here show user details equal to, I'll say here function, and I'll run this function like this. So close this. I'll just create here one var. Okay, var, I'll just say here message equal to, I'll say here hello ServiceNow developers. Close this, and now we will use this sp modal dependency to show the modal. Okay, I told you already as well. Okay, in the beginning of the video, I'll just say here dot alert to show the alert to the user. I'll just say here message. Okay, so now copy this function name c dot show user details, and come to the HTML part, and now I'll just say here ng click equal to like this. So give you a parenthesis. So now just save this file, right click here, hit save. Okay, so come here, and now refresh this page. Loading, please wait. Now data loaded. Click the button, see user details. So see, boom guys, boom guys, here is the modal alert. So click OK guys. You can see here, hello ServiceNow developers. Click OK. So see, boom guys, this is doing great. Okay guys, this is doing great. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so guys, now we have to show the data in the modal as well. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. We have to populate, we have to show the data inside the modal. Okay, we have to populate, we have to show the data inside the modal, inside this modal. Okay, inside this modal. Okay, so close this now. So come here and go to the client script part, go to the client script column or the box, we can say anything. Okay, so now guys, first of all, we will just pass this entire user object. We will just pass. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. We will just pass this entire user object inside this function. Okay, inside this function, and we will grab it also inside the client. Okay, controller or client script inside this function, like here. Okay, like here. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. And now what I'll do here, or I can say here, I can say here user. Okay, user dot name, to show the name of the particular user. Save the file first. This is the for demo only, this is for demo only for you. Okay, so now it is now saved. Refresh the page one more time. Okay, so now let's just see this user name. Okay, click the button, see user details. So see, boom guys, here is the username. Okay, see, the same username is here also, the same username is here also. Click OK. This user, see, the same username is here and here as well. Okay, click OK. So this user, see, the same username is here also and it is here as well. Okay, so now this is doing great. This is now dynamic. So come here, instead of only username, we will show the entire details now in the modal. Okay, so now I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to check. Okay, first of all, I'm going to check if user exists or not. Okay, first of all, I'm going to check if user exists or not. Okay, so I'll just say here negation of this user. Okay, this user object, if it is there, then we will show the alert, otherwise we will just show the alert. So I'll just say here sp modal dot alert. Okay, if there is no user, if there is no object, if there is no data, we will show the alert. Okay, so I'll just say here user data not found, user data not found. Okay, this is it. Okay, and now if this is not the case, if this is not the case, okay, if this is not the case, we will show the actual data. Okay, if this is not the case, we will show the actual data. Okay, so we will just, first of all, I'll just create here few variables also. I'll just say here var, I'll just say here address, to show the address of the user. I'll just say here user dot address. Okay, if user dot address, if it exists. Okay, if user dot address, I showed you. Come here, let's just go to the console one more time. Go to the console one more time, open this array of object. Why it is so hard to open this? Okay, so now here is the array of object. You can see here what I'm doing here. I'm just showing here user address. So user dot address. Okay, here is the address. Okay, here is the address, and it is again an object. Here is the address, and it is again an object. It contains city, geolocation, street, suite, and zip code. Okay, so guys, this address is again an object. Okay, this address is again an object, and it contains city, geolocation, street, suite, and zip code. Okay, so we have to extract the data, we have to grab the information, we have to extract the data from this address object. Okay, so guys, I'm going to extract the data. okay, like city, street, suite, and zip code, okay, and zip code from this address object. Okay, from this object address object I'm going to extract the data. Okay, so come here, and now if it exists, okay, if it is exist, okay, if it exists, so I'll just say here user, okay, dot address, user dot address, to show the suite. Okay, to show the suite, what we'll do here, we will say here user dot address dot suite. Okay, user dot address dot suite to show the apartment 556. Okay, so come here, I'll just say here suite. Okay, I'll just use here plus sign to concatenate. Okay, to concatenate the comma between the string. Okay, between the string, again I'll use here plus, and I'll say here again user, okay, dot address, user dot address, and dot street. Okay, user dot address dot street. I showed you, here is the street property as well, here is the street, okay, class light. So I'll just say here user dot address dot street. Okay, user dot address dot street. So come here, and again I'll use here plus sign to concatenate the comma between the strings. Okay, so again I'll give you a plus, again I'll say here user dot address, user dot address, and to show this city we will say here city. Okay, I showed you, here is the city property as well, here is the city property as well. Inside the address object, inside the address object, here is the city, geolocation, street, suite, and zip code. Okay, this is it. Come here, and again I'll use here concatenation, again I'll use here this, okay, comma sign, and now I'll just instead of comma, let's just use here this. Okay, and now again I'll use here plus to concatenate the things, to show the zip code. I'll just say here user dot address, and zip code I've shown you, zip code I've shown you. Let's just show you one more time what is the issue. Okay, so here is the zip code also inside the address object, there is a zip code as well. Okay, so come here now, and now if it is not available, okay, if this user dot address is not there, we will show here nothing available. Let's just say here okay, not available, like this. Okay, so just to close this, this is it. Okay, and now again I'll create here another variable to show the company. I'll just say here var company equal to, again I'll just say here user dot company. Okay, user dot company. Let me just show you one more time. Go to the console, and here is the company. It is again an object. This company is again an object. It contains bs, okay, catchphrase, and name. Okay, this company object contains bs, okay, catchphrase, and this name of the company as well. Okay, so come here, and now again we will check. Okay, again we will just say here user, okay, user dot company dot name to show the company name. Okay, if it is there we will show it, otherwise we will not show. Nothing available. Okay, nothing available, we will show the string. Okay, this is it. So guys, now I'll just remove this message value of this message variable. Okay, and now I'm going to create here another array. I'm going to create here another array. Okay, so now I'll just create here another array, and just put comma here. First of all, I'll create here img element. I'll just say here src equal to, let's just copy this src from here only. Okay, from here only, this src. So let's just copy this from here, and let's just paste it here. Okay, let's just paste it here, and I'll just give here 200. Okay, so this is the value. Okay, we can, okay, increase the image width, height as well. Okay, so now I'll just first create the template first. I'll just create here the template first. Okay, so now say here, give here single quote and give here also single, let's just close this and give here the single quote as well, and let's just remove this, and we have to append here user.id. We have to append here user.id. Okay, so now so here it is. So now this, okay, this closes here, and this closes here, and this is the user dot id. So this is it. So now come here again, I'll create here the br element. So br line for the line break. Okay, and now I'll just show here name, give colon, give a like this, and now again I'll use here the user. Okay, this user object. Okay, this user object, and now I'll just say here dot. Okay, I'll just say here dot name. Okay, so let's just name, otherwise I'll give you or, I'll give you or, otherwise not available. Okay, not available. Let's just put here comma, not semicolon, comma, and let's just copy this. Now the template is ready, let's just paste it. Okay, now the template is ready, let's just paste it. Okay, so now instead of name I'll show here email, and I'll just say here user.email to show the email, and instead of email I'll show here a phone. So you can see here, let me just show you the phone property as well. Okay, so go to the console, and here is the phone property as well. So yeah, here is the phone property. You can see here, here is the phone property. Okay, you can see here there is the phone property as well. So now this is it, and instead of phone name here I'll just say here, I'll just say here, instead of name I'll just say here company, and I'll just say here so company variable is here, so copy this company variable from here and just paste it here, and now I'll just say here copy this and just say here address variable is here, copy this address variable from here and just paste it here. Okay, and now phone is here, and now I'll show here the website. I have shown you there is the website property as well. Here is the website property. Okay, here is the website property. Okay, here is the website property as well. So now we will just say here user dot website. Okay, to show the website of the user. Okay, website, this is it. And now check what is the issue here. So and now we will just say here dot, okay, dot join, to join in a single element. Okay, and let's just give you the new line as well. Okay, new line as well. This is it. So let's just remove this. Okay, so now instead of this user.name, let's just copy this message and let's just paste it here. Okay, so guys, as of now just save this file. Okay, right click save, and now come here, this file is now saved. So refresh this page one more time. Let's just close this console now, we don't need this console anymore, so close this. Yeah, so here it is, the data. Okay, so now click the button, see user details of this user. So click it now. See, boom guys, here is name, here is email, here is okay, phone is it is showing different things. Okay, so website it is showing great. So company name is now, username, why, what is the issue here? So company and phone we have to fix. Okay, so come here, come here, so come here, so come down, here is the phone. No, here is the issue here. So instead of company, copy this company and let's just paste it here. Okay, this company variable. Okay, so now instead of phone we will just say here user dot phone. Okay, if it is available show it, otherwise we will say here not available. Okay, not available, this is it. Okay, so now name is name, email is email, phone is now phone, company is now company, website is now website, address is now address. Okay, so let's just save this file now. Yeah, saved. Come here and now again refresh this page one more time, click OK, refresh this page one more time. So now go down, click the see the user details of this user, click the button see user details. So see, boom guys, here is now user profile, username, email, phone, company, website and address also, apartment 556 glass light. Okay, this. Okay, so click OK. So now I'm going to show the this custom property as well. Okay, which we have assigned. Okay, custom property like is active. Okay, profile type, platform and is developer. And also show. Okay, all this show all the things. So I'll just say here details. Okay, so now I'll just show here the profile type and platform and is developer. Okay, these three things I'll show here, profile type, platform and developer I'll show you. Okay, so let's just copy this all these three and just paste it here. Okay, so now instead of address we will instead of company we will say here, let me just check the property name. Yeah, don't go up to there, it is here only. So I'll just say here platform type, copy this property name platform type and just paste it here, platform type. And I'll just say here user dot platform type and platform type is done. Why coming again and again up? Okay, it's here only. So let's just copy this platform, go down and website. So let's just paste it here and instead of website I'll just say here platform and go up, go up, go up. I'll just copy this is developer property as well from here and I'll show this developer is developer as well. I'll just say here user dot is developer is available, just show it, otherwise show not available. Okay, this is it. So profile type, let's just make this also, if it is available just show it, otherwise just show the message not available. So now just save this file, now just save this file, I'm sorry. So now just come here and now refresh this page. Yeah, so now see user details. So yeah, boom guys, here is the profile pic, here is the name, email, phone, company, website, address, profile type, premium user, platform, ServiceNow, is developer, Prabhat Pandit, click OK. So this. Okay, so let's just this user. Okay, here is the profile pic, here is the name, phone, email, company, website, address, profile type, platform and is developer, Prabhat Pandit. So click OK. let's just bring it to the actual size. So bring it to the actual size now. This is it. Okay, so now see the user details of this user. Okay, click the button, see user details. So see, here is the profile pic, same profile pic I have shown here also. I have shown in the modal as well. Okay, so name, email, phone, company, website, address, profile type, platform, ServiceNow, is developer, Prabhat Pandit. Click OK. So this user. Okay, so let's just make the email address little smaller. So let's just make this email address little smaller. Let's just put here h4. Okay, let's just put here h4. Save this file. So come here, I'm very sorry, refresh the page. Go down. So now this looks cool. So now this looks cool as well. Okay, so we can see here I have shown here each and everything inside a nice and dynamic modal as well of a particular user dynamically. Okay, so this user, click this button, see user details. Here is the profile pic, here is the name, email, phone, company, website. Okay, address, profile type, platform, ServiceNow, is developer, Prabhat Pandit. Click OK. Okay, go up this user, click the button, see user details. Here is the profile pic, here is the name, email, phone, address, website address. Okay, profile type, platform is developer, Prabhat Pandit. Click OK. So this user, see everything is here in the modal as well. This user, see everything is here inside the modal as well. Same user profile here also, same user profile here also. Okay, click OK. This user, same user profile here also, same user profile here also, name, phone, okay, email, company, website address, profile type, platform, ServiceNow, is developer, Prabhat Pandit. Click OK. This user, okay, so okay, so guys, we have achieved our goal, we have achieved our target of this video, of this tutorial in ServiceNow. And I hope guys you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow from this video, from this tutorial of mine. Guys, if you still have any doubt, any query, guys, if you still have any doubt, any queries regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys, okay, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, I'll try to definitely give you the best possible answer, best possible solution as well. Okay, so okay, so guys, in the next video, in the next tutorial of ServiceNow, we will learn something different, something cool, something dynamic. Okay, inside every video, in every videos, okay, we will learn something great, something dynamic in ServiceNow. Okay, so now ServiceNow tutorial is will be continue. Okay, and later on I will continue the React, and I'll continue the Vue.js 3 as well. Okay, so just subscribe now my this channel, code with if you want to learn React, if you want to learn Vue.js, if you want to learn ServiceNow, if you want to learn web development, okay, and full stack development also, then you have to subscribe now my this channel, code with and you have to press the bell icon also. You have to like this video also, you have to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so this is it guys, okay, in this video, in this tutorial, and I hope you have learned something great, something cool, something dynamic in ServiceNow from this video, from this tutorial of mine. Okay, so this is it guys. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.